Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring URP or HDRP is active because Shader Graph requires a SRP pipeline. Open Package Manager and install the pipeline, then convert your project to that pipeline. Once done, create a new Shader Graph asset and a material that uses it, so you have a live target to edit. Make sure to assign that material to a visible object in the scene view. This immediate feedback loop helps you iterate visually as you build nodes and connections. You now assemble the core of the shader with nodes that define appearance and behavior. Start by exposing properties, colors, textures, and floats, so you can tweak values from the material inspector. Then sample your textures, manipulate UVs for tiling or offset, and combine results with multiply, add, and lerp nodes to create masks or blended layers. Once connected to base color and optional emission, preview in scene. Make sure to set correct SRP-specific settings like surface type and blending to match your intended effect. You finish by refining and testing. Reduce node count, pack values into channels, and prefer cheaper math where possible to keep performance acceptable. Once refined, test your shader in different lighting conditions and on the target platform or device to catch platform-specific issues. If something breaks, pause and systematically debug. Inspect the console for errors, verify SRP versions match, reassign the material to the object, and temporarily simplify the graph to isolate the problem. This quick isolation step usually reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.